Breaking news in Congress today, guys. Stock market news. So, literally in 2021, right? Literally yesterday, 52 members of the House and Senate validated what is known as the Stock Act. Okay? So, the Stock Act was made in 2012, and it requires that members of Congress to provide accurate reports of their stock trades, right? And they didn't. They did not provide accurate reports of the stock trades. They provided lower amounts of their stock trades. Now, a simple solution, some may say, to this is just stop members of Congress to be able to trade in ETFs and normal stock markets and just leave them to mutual funds as well as other assets, right? But according to Nanci Pelosi, right, she states that she would oppose efforts to prohibit members of Congress and their spouses, including her husband, from trading individual stocks. So, Nancy Pelosi, a Democrat, is saying that she would oppose if people say members of Congress can no longer trade normal stocks. This could be a great opportunity for Republicans to come through, to look like a superhero and just say, oh, we're not trading in normal stocks, or we're moving all of our normal stocks, all of our assets into mutual funds and bonds, and that if we were to get office in 2022, we will stop all members from trading in individual stocks. This will create a good debate for the Republicans to be able to win in 2022. And that's not the case. You know why? Because the Republicans are doing it too. The Republicans are also trading in these stocks and benefiting from the insider information that is talked about. Guys, let me tell you guys something. In our Congress, in the US, there has been a major issue in insider trading, okay? Guess what? Members of Congress know a whole lot about things that the normal population does not know. They know sometimes how a company would move, where a company will go, what's going to happen, what job is going to happen, what increase will happen. And they may take these opportunities, this information, to their benefits by trading in that company or taking all of their money out, okay? But insider trading is definitely a crime, guys. Many investment bankers and corporate officers literally go to jail from insider trading. It's ridiculous. But it's not easy to put the Congress or members of Congress in jail because of something called a speech and debate clause in the Constitution, which severely limits the ability of federal investigators to obtain any records and find out what is being talked about on the congressional offices and on the congressional offices. Alright, guys, so basically that leads to who to control what's happening? The House and Senate Ethics Committee, which have little experience with such investigations and report to the very members of Congress that they are investigating, guys. Think about this. So I'm the president of this company, right? And I'm doing illegal things, and the person the FBI, the person that's supposed to look out and tell me, and rat on me if I'm doing these illegal things, are working for me. What? Makes no sense. Like, I have my sister, she is the one that has to report me to the police if I do something bad. But she reports to me, so or turn a blind eye, or pay them this, or pay them that. Obviously, I'm gonna keep doing what I do because I make money from what I do, okay? So it's absolutely ridiculous what's happening right now. But I just want to tell you guys, Nancy Pelosi is stating that members of Congress should be trading in these stocks because her and her husband are currently trading in these stocks. So the Republicans can come through like savers and say, oh, we're not trading in these stocks and you should vote for us because we're gonna make it illegal. But the Republicans don't do that, guys, because you know why? They're trading in the stocks themselves. So corruption is obviously everywhere, and any loopholes and any money opportunities that the Congress sees is valuable for them to do is going to be done. Alrighty, so that's why I tell all of you, manage your finance, know what you're gonna do, know what you're doing financially, right? So that you can take advantage of any loopholes that you may see, but not even that, so that people don't take advantage of you, right? Because the public doesn't know whatever is about to crash, and members of Congress already know, so they take their money out. They minimize their risk. They're safe and perfect in their little world, while you're screwed thinking it's going to keep going up. Alright, so read your news, read what's happening, keep yourself updated, keep yourself financially aware. As always, guys, stay limitless. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, subscribe down below, share the channel, share the video. Take care, stay safe. Love you guys. Bye. Bye.